Hey, hey, beautiful people. I'm Michelle Miller, creator and founder of the Live Out Loud Sisterhood. And I'm here to welcome you to this question and answer about the Live Out Loud Sisterhood. Whether you're watching live or catching the replay, I'm so excited to share what this movement is all about. If you're ready to experience true sisterhood, drop a heart in the comments. So the first question comes from Holly W. And her question is, what exactly is the Live Out Loud Sisterhood and who's it for? Well, that's a good question. The Live Out Loud Sisterhood is more than just a group. It's a sanctuary. It's just a sanctuary. It's a space for women who are ready to grow, heal, and step into their full power. A place where you are seen, heard, and supported. It's for the woman who is tired of feeling alone in her journey. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a dreamer, a healer, or a woman simply looking for a safe space to evolve, then this sisterhood is for you. If you've ever wished for a circle that truly uplifts you, supports your dreams, and holds you accountable, then you just found it. This next question comes from Asha L. And she asks, what makes this sisterhood different from other women's groups? Good question, Asha. Sorry about that. This isn't just another networking group. It isn't just about another online community. This is a movement. We do life together. This sisterhood isn't just about sharing quotes, cheering each other on. It's about real transformation. We create experience that uplift and heal. From healing retreats to pajama parties to afternoon teas, meetups, and elegant black tie events, we show up for each other in every way. We are built on action. We help you step into the best version of yourself, whether it's through personal growth, wellness, career success, or emotional healing. We hold space for every woman. There is no competition here, only collaboration. You don't have to figure it out alone anymore. This is the sisterhood you didn't know you needed until now. Veronica L. This question is from Veronica L. She asks, what kind of support and resources will I have access to? Good question. Inside the Live Out Loud Sisterhood, you'll find connection and accountability, a safe space where real women uplift each other and help each other keep on track. We have live and virtual events. There are healing retreats. There are meetups, sister check-ins, and more. We also have transformation tools, exclusive resources, challenges, and conversations that help you step into your best self. Sisterhood experiences. Well, think afternoon tea to celebrate your wins, or pajama parties for real talk, black tie events for elevation, and retreats for deep healing. The Live Out Loud Sisterhood is a tribe that loves and lifts you up. You'll never feel alone again. This is a place where you'll be supported in all areas of your life. Alexis R., she asks, How can I join and what are the next steps? Oh, that's the best question of all. Sis, if this is calling your name, here's what you need to do next. Step 1, fill out the Live Out Loud Sisterhood interest form. You can find it in the links in my bio or just right here. Step 2, follow me here and turn on notifications so you don't miss the launch. Step 3, tag a sister who needs this in her life. Let's build this movement together. And if you're on the list early, you'll get access, exclusive access, first access to everything when we launch. Okay, this is from Ashley M. And she asks, what's one powerful experience that you've had since you've joined the sisterhood? Well, I think I spoke about one of the most powerful things. It's the thing that made me create the Live Out Loud Sisterhood. So last year in February, I was feeling completely depleted. My vision of building a successful real estate business was moving so slow, and I was losing money. To make things worse, I got sick. Stress, exhaustion, and disappointment took over, and I felt like I was failing. Then one morning at 8 a.m., one of my sisterhood sisters called me. She knew something was off when she saw how I was still in bed. So unusual for me because I'm a 5:30 a.m. riser. She asked, what's wrong? And I told her. I felt like I was losing everything. And do you know what she did? She told me to check my email. Well, when I opened it and I checked it, to my shock, she had booked a trip. She booked me a trip to join her in Mexico and reset and recharge and breathe. Well, that trip, it changed everything. It gave me my energy back. It gave me my mindset back. And it reminded me that I wasn't in this alone. This is what sisterhood does. This is the kind of support you'll find inside the Live Out Loud Sisterhood. Women who won't let you fail, who will lift you up higher than you ever imagined. And sis, I want you to experience this. I want who to experience this? You. Well, now that you know what's inside the Live Out Loud Sisterhood, I have one question to ask for you. Are you ready to step into this movement? If you are, drop a heart. You know I love those hearts in the comments if you're ready. Tag a sister who needs this. Join the interest list now. It's in the link in my bio or right over here. Sisters, are you ready to join the sisterhood? The Live Out Loud Sisterhood? Well, what are you waiting for? I can't wait to see you.